In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the outer tie rod ends on this GMC Sierra. These are going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. Now we're going to take off the wheel. Use a 22mm socket to take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. We're going to loosen up the jam nut. You can use a 24mm wrench. This one's a little rusty. And loosen this up. That's good. We're going to remove the outer tie rod nut. I'm going to use a 21mm socket. Take that off. I'm going to use a front end puller set. I'm going to separate the tie rod from the knuckle. You could always try to tap it with a hammer. Tighten that down and pull that off. Now we'll take the outer tie rod end off. We want to count the threads when we take this off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So write that number down somewhere. I take the outer tie rod end and we're going to count the threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20. We went to 20. Move the jam nut closer. And insert that into the knuckle. Put the nut on. And just snug that down. And we're going to torque this nut to 26 foot-pounds and then an additional 90 degrees. Make sure the hole lines up with the castle nut. If you need to, you can tighten it a little bit more till it lines up. Never loosen it to get it to line up. Just a little more. Take the cotter pin, slide it through with some side cutters. Just bend this down and trim the excess. That's good. And tighten up the jam nut. That's good. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle. Now put the wheel on. Get the lug nut started. And snug these down. Now we're going to torque these lug nuts in a cross pattern to 140 foot-pounds. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.